Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to publish your Lovable AI project to Hostinger. The process is simple and takes just two main steps. First, you need to download your project from Lovable. Open your project and click on View on GitHub. If you haven't connected GitHub before, you'll be prompted to do so. Once connected, your project will appear as a GitHub repository. From there, click the green code button, then select Download Zip. This will download all your project files as a compressed folder. Go to your downloads, right-click the file and extract it so you have access to the code. Next, log into your Hostinger account. On your dashboard, go to File Manager under the Hosting section. Open the File Manager, then upload the extracted folder containing your project files. Once uploaded, your Lovable project will be live on your Hostinger server. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully published your Lovable AI project to Hostinger. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more Lovable and hosting guides.